Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. And for today, another video ang i-share ko sa inyo. I believe meron na akong isang video na related dito sa topic na to. Yun naman is yung mga iba't ibang ways na mapagkukunan ng financial assistance kapag ka ikaw ay na-diagnose with cancer. For today naman ay i-discuss ko sa inyo ang mga sabihin na nating benepisyo, kung yun man ang pwede nating itawag doon for the lack of better term, as an employee or kung ikaw man ay na-terminate due to the illness. So, disclaimer lamang po, this information ay available publicly. You may also do your own research para naman sa dagdag kaalaman or sa dagdag information na hindi ko mabanggit sa video na to. And with that, umpisahan muna natin kapag ka ikaw ay employed or may trabaho. Now, if you are diagnosed with breast cancer or cancer in general, at kung halimbawa kagaya ko na operahan ang aking left breast, natanggal siya via mastectomy, ikaw ay entitled for a Magna Carta, leave with pay. So, maximum of 2 months yon. Ikaw ay merong leave at ikaw ay mababayaran para dun sa 2 months na yon. And for that, it is your basic pay that you will be able to get while you are trying to recover for the duration of maximum of 2 months. Pangalawa ay meron akong video nito is yung SSS disability claims, which is partial disability kung ikaw ay may breast cancer, or I'm not sure if it's cancer in general, kung magiging partial disability claims ito. So with that, i-apply mo to sa SSS mismo, and sila ang mag-verify ng inyong document, ng mga sinubmit, at meron akong video kung paano ito i-apply. Next naman, ito hindi alam ng karamihan. Actually, bago-bago ko lang dito nalaman, ay yung Pag-ibig Providence Claim. Yes, kung ikaw po ay na-diagnose with cancer, all you have to do is to fill out the Pag-ibig form, and together with the requirement or yung mga document na kailangan nilang ipasubmit sa'yo, you may also go to Pag-ibig website para i-download yung form para makapag-fill out ka, para pagpunta mo sa Pag-ibig, maibigay mo na agad yung mga requirement. Nandun din naman yung list of requirement na kakailangan nila from you. Now, kung ikaw naman ay na-terminate due to illness, actually, yon ay karapatan ng employer na mag-terminate ng kanilang employee if the illness or the disease is found to be not curable within 6 months. So, ang alam naman natin na ang cancer ay hindi siya curable within 6 months. Actually, kung tutuusin, ito ay lifetime. Kailangan lang ng matinding monitoring at matinding disiplina sa sarili para hindi lumala ang sakit. So, for this one, if you are terminated due to medical illness, you are entitled for a separation pay. So, ito ay benepisyo ng mga empleyadong natanggal dahil sa sakit. Meron namang listahan ng DOH ng iba't ibang sakit na kasama doon sa mga terminable due to medical illness. Now, ang computation ng separation pay ay it's either 1 month of pay or half month ng iyong basic pay multiplied by the number of years na na-render mo sa company, whichever is higher. So, bukod sa iyong final pay, ito ay tinatawag na separation or severance pay. You have to take note that you are entitled to get this kung ikaw ay terminate ng iyong employer at hindi ito voluntary termination or yung tinatawag na resignation. So, malinaw yon ha, the company is terminating your employment and not you resigning because of your illness. Kasi pagka ganon, you will not be eligible or entitled for the separation pay. You will only get the final pay. Yun lang naman for today's video. I hope nakatulong itong video na to sa inyong mga nanonood. And if you haven't applied for any of those benefits yet, SSS Disability Claim, Pag-ibig Providence Claim, maaari lang po ay magtungo kayo sa mga ahensyang ito kung kayo ay currently employed at kung kayo naman ay na-terminate due to medical condition, make sure that you coordinate with your HR regarding this matter. If this video helps you, kindly give this a thumbs up. At kung hindi ka pa subscriber ng channel to, please subscribe now and click that notification bell para mano-notify ka whenever we upload new videos. And until my next one, bye!